Assalamu alaikum. Printer service and open this full video. Watching now and last in time. Printer servicing and opening this full video. HP brand and model HP Laser ZP 30 and 50. Model is this problem is major problem. Printer not working for paper jam. Solution this video and last say this video. Okay, go to this video. This printer is still paper for not working. I'm servicing this printer. We printer backside and open this printer for by screwdriver. First screw open is this printer and cover open. Open this printer cover for open this printer and working this side and working this printer is very printer screw not for cover is this cover opening this cover and back this printer open this cover for printer open this cover to printer is paper house in paper home side open this printer and side paper house printer open this cover and screw opening printer first open the cover use for screwdriver pressure create the cover and open back side cover is open for cable printer in open this cable left side right side cable open printer problem is very major problem heater problem but print not working change the heater set and working this printer how to open the printer this video you now my channel for subscribe and support me printing not working for this paper jam and heat sheet paper jam for heat sheet and heater roller this problem solve this heater sheet and this printer working okay thank you paper jam solve this and paper out not working this force. Paper out in screw, open this cover, paper jam and paper out is cover, open this screw and open this cover and paper jam solved this video.